Well, here I go. I'm going to go and find a good spot to make a fire. It's all overcast here, trees everywhere. We'll see.
You have no room for the life you're leading anymore. Get away, the path is open. Leave the burdens of the world you never knew behind, and wear the sun in your heart.
Okay. I cleared out a little spot here, built a little fire. I'm not out here alone today. My son Hunter, say hello, Hunter.
Hello.
He's here with me also. We're gathering a few sticks here of assorted sizes. Get your kindling ready before you do anything else. Look.
Okay.
Right here. There we go. Like that. Get your tinder ready. See if I can start my fire starter on fire. Once I got the fire starter going, then I can kind of take my time. Dryer lint goes up kind of quick. There we go. Now that we got fire. Oh, feel warmer already. Goes up kind of quick. There we go. If you look at it closely here, the part that the water is in is not melting. The deformity is above that, above the water line. I don't know if you can see it, but the water is boiling. The water is boiling in my little stove. It's boiling. Bubbles are coming up. It's a soft boil, but it's very hot. Here's a little close-up of the bottle. You see, I had water to about here, and it boiled the water relatively quick. About 20 minutes to boil this. Where there wasn't water is where it kind of melted and deformed. But where there was water, everything's intact. Up here is where it was where it shriveled and got hard. Okay, well, we have a successful fire going, and we boiled some water in a plastic water bottle, and everything was a success here. We're just enjoying the remnants of the fire right now. Go ahead.
Okay, sounds good. Over.
And according to the time, it is about 2:30. We'll make it back about 3 o'clock, a little after 3, maybe 5 or 10 after 3. And it appears that I can get simplex locally. I got the Glenville repeater plugged in. It's a 440 repeater. See if anyone's around. KC0 UWF monitoring Glenville repeater. KC0 UWF monitoring. Glenville's about 30 miles away. Well, I hope you enjoy this little movie. Hunter and I enjoyed spending the day out here for a couple hours, getting us going. In the woods here, the wind isn't that bad. You can hear the wind blowing through the trees though, and see the trees moving around. Didn't see anybody else. This is muzzle loading season yet around here. This is how we spend Sunday afternoon.
You have no room for the life you're leading anymore. Get away, the path is open. Leave the burdens of the world you never knew behind, and wear the sun in your heart.
Walk it out. Not so bad.
Hey,
a lot of wind you're at the edge of the wood. That's okay though.
Which way you traveling today? Hey, let me know, I'll go the other way. 'Cause you know I left my troubles long ago, and now I'm free. But you know, with all this freedom, there's a pain, and it's haunting